I got this, as you can see, it's a 3.6 liter engine. And what's going on is, yes, you guessed it, a ticker. It's a ticker, right? Now, it's a question I get a lot on my channel. I guess this question is coming from do-it-yourselfers. You know, I love do-it-yourselfers. I love them guys. If I can help, I'm here for you, baby. And the question simply, when you're doing a ticker, some guys, like even here at the dealer, we're not allowed to just replace all the rocker arms, okay? Especially if you're on the warranty, we got to replace the ones that's actually broken and noisy. But the question I get a lot is, how can you tell which side is the noise coming from? Listen, guys, there's no magical way you can the only thing, the best tool you gonna have to use is your God-given tool, which is your hearing. You got to base it off hearing. Now, even with the little doctor ear things on, that's the scope thing that people use to find noise. Even that's hard. See, for an example, let me start this up and show you something, okay? And like I say, it is extremely hard. Not really hard, but okay. Now you hear the noise straight down center. Start at the center, all right, and stick your head over this way. Okay, now see which side you hear the noise the loudest. Okay, let me try to get this out the way. All right, if I unplug this, I'm checking it like gonna be on, but I already know the problem. So you're gonna have to determine which side is the loudest. That's the best way to, actually that's the only way you're gonna be able to tell. So if you start straight down the middle, I would take a stab and a guess at, wow, it's hard to tell, guys, because you hear it straight down center, but you can't hear it louder on either side. So what you're gonna end up doing, man, I know it sucks, and some people use a long bar and put up against their ear and see which side is the loudest. I haven't had any luck doing that. I'm gonna go out on a limb, let me get closer, and say it's bank one. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it's bank one. Okay, but again, you're gambling either way it goes, because you could have one that's really broken on this side and one that's coming apart on this side. So what do? I'm not saying you should replace all of them, because that could get expensive. But if you, you know, having financial problems, you really want to replace the ones that's noisy and broken. So I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this side is the loudest. So I'm gonna pull this side first just to verify and see if I was right. And I come back on and tell y'all, when I pull the valve covers off, I should see the broken or feel the broken rocker. I would tell y'all or let y'all know if I was right or wrong. Okay? But again, start down the center and then find out which side is the loudest. Wow, that was a hard thing to do. All right. I'm gonna end this video, stop it right here. 3.6 ticker noise, fairly common, man, just the rocker arms coming apart. It's nothing you did, nothing you caused, especially if you keep your oil change the way you're supposed to. So stop beating yourself up, it was not your fault. It's a piss poor design that has been rectified, okay? New redesigned rocker arms are now available, but I had one lady that was crying, I changed my oil every 3,000 miles. I use exactly what they say use, and I'm still ticking. Ma'am, I don't know how to explain it to her, but you know, it's just one of those things. Just a defective part that we got to get replaced. All right, so let me end this video. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.